Hi, automation builders. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot as well as an appointment setter which is going to book appointments for you within the chat. You will be also learning how you can create carousels, template messages, and how you can send broadcasts to your customers. So, let's get started. To start with WhatsApp automation, you need to read this documentation, which I will add it in description, which explains everything about the rules and regulation, and this will help you not to get your number blocked. Alright, so it explains what kind of numbers you can connect. What's the pricing that the WhatsApp charges? And like the free conversation that they give you every single month, as well as some articles that will help you understand how you can save money as well, and how you can initiate conversations with your customers. To connect your WhatsApp, you need to make sure to go to Settings, Channels, click on WhatsApp. Once you click on Connect, you need to follow this video, which is by Facebook itself. This explains everything about how you can connect your Meta accounts. Alright, so I have created a knowledge base, which you can do it as well. You just go to ChatGPT and tell it to create a knowledge base. And all you need to do is replace it with your business information. Go to Integration. Select the LLM that you prefer. I have already connected OpenAI, so I'm going to go with OpenAI. Click on Edit. And all you need to do is copy the knowledge base that you have. After made changes, go here and paste it here. So now the AI is connected. It's ready to serve and assist to your customers, and I'm going to show you on phone how it's responding to customers now. Alright, so we're going to message, "What are your services?" As you can see, it's responding really well. So obviously we asked for the services, and it gave all the services. We can prompt it to make it better. So yeah, let's just ask the question in a voice recording. "Hi, so what are your services exactly, and where are you based in?" Alright. So now we have the voice recording here. Obviously, it's going to reply in an AI voice.
We are based in New York City, NY. Here are our main services: buying a home, exclusive listings, and negotiation support.
So now it's going to respond in voice messages as well as in text. That's how the AI is going to respond to your customers. We can train it better by adding more prompts and giving more data. But as you can see, it's really easy to connect and build a WhatsApp chatbot. To create a WhatsApp appointment setter, first you need to make sure to go to Appointments. And this is where you can see all your appointments that are booked. To create an appointment, you need to go to Calendars, click on Add, and let's just name it as Book a Call. And this is where you can add the description, when you can edit the timings, when they can book an appointment with you, as well as you can make changes however you want to. So, this is the reminder you can set when you would like to send a reminder to your clients. Also, you can add restrictions as well about the appointment. Click on Save. You can also go to Integration and connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar. So this will create an event for you. So now you need to go to Settings, and you need to make sure go to Integration and click on OpenAI. Whichever LLM that you have selected, click on that, and you will see AI triggers. You can create a new trigger as well, but you will see this trigger already. So click on Edit, and obviously we need to add the custom field here. So what this trigger does is, it's going to understand the intent, and it's going to collect the information for you. So these are the information that we are going to collect. So for now, we're going to select the date, phone consultation date, and time. So this is the custom field that you will already see. You just need to click on Date and select the appointment here, the one that you created. Click on Continue, and go to Integration, and go to OpenAI. Click on Edit. This is where you need to add that trigger that you just created. Alright, and it's better to add instruction as well. So, Whenever user is interested in our services, I recommend them to book an appointment with us and make sure to collect their name, email, phone number, and when they would like to book an appointment with us. So this is a prompt that we added. So this will make sure to collect the information for you and save it in the custom field, and which will show the information about the customer in the inbox itself. So now I'm going to show you how it's going to respond when someone is asking to book an appointment with you. Alright, so I'm going to message and ask for appointment booking. Alright? So it's asking for the name. So I'm going to give Alex. alextest@gmail.com. So I will show you something. So while I give my name and email, it's still going to understand what I have given. It's going to ask for the remaining information. So what it's asking is for the phone number and what time I prefer to have the appointment. So even if you just send the name, it will understand, okay, we don't have an email, so we need an email. Alright, so now we'll just give the number, okay? And it will understand that I've only given the number, not the date and time. So it's going to ask, so how about tomorrow 3:30? Alright, so appointment is booked. I'm going to refresh here and we'll see if we have the appointment here. As you can see, we have the appointment, which is 3:30 p.m., and this will create the event itself on the Google Calendar event. You can see the upcoming appointments and the past appointments. This is how you can build an appointment automation that can book appointments for you. Now I'm going to show you how you can create a template message. So if you want to send broadcast or send a message to a new customer, it's a rule by Meta that you have to create a template message so they know what kind of message you're sending. To do that, you need to go to WhatsApp, click on Manage. Alright, you will also view everything here, your payment history, your payment methods. If you click on this, it will take you to Meta account, and you can see all the template messages that you have already created. You can also access to the template library, where they show the type of messages that they have created for you as templates, which you can use it as well. And if you go to Analytics, you will be able to see everything about the conversations, like how much all the analytics and data about your messages sending to your customers. Next is, you can also edit your profile here to create a template message. It only takes a few seconds, maximum a minute maybe, but to be honest, it only takes a few seconds. This is the type of messages that you can create if you want to send a file, video, carousel, location, or a catalog. So I'm going to show you the image part. So this is just the text-based. We're going to show you an image part that is mostly used by our clients. Alright, let's just name it as DT Video Testing. Okay, you need to mention which language is this, and you need to mention the purpose as well. You can upload an image here just to see what kind of image you need to add. Okay, so later on you can change the image, but whatever information that you add here, you cannot change it later. So obviously it's a template that we need to send to Meta, so they can see what kind of message that you want to send to your clients. But images, you can change it, that's fine. So I'm going to say we're launching new property deal, and we would love to share the details with you. Let me know if you're interested. Okay, this is a message that I'm going to send. So there's one template footer here. I prefer to have this if you're sending to new customers. Okay, so where you can say reply stop if you don't want offers like this to be sent to you. This will help to the new customers. Sorry, you have to add, there's a limit which is 60 by 60, so we're just going to limit it down to 60. Okay, so we're going to remove this and we're going to say reply stop. Okay, and yeah, so what this help with our clients is like, there's a few customers in our database that they don't want to get promotional offers. So what we tell them, you can add reply stop, and you can create an automation where they reply stop, and it automatically deletes the contact from the CRM. So whenever you send a broadcast in future, their contact is not there. So it's better to have a footer here, or you can add some other instructions if you want to. Add a button. Obviously, we're going to name it as View Offers. Okay, and you can select the flow. Obviously, we want to start another automation, so that's why we're going to select Send Flow. Continue. If you want to add a link where you can just tag them to a funnel or a website, you can select Open Link. Obviously, then it's going to ask you to add the link here. So it will review the link that you have added. Click on Send Flow, Continue, Save. All right, so in the meantime, this is happening. I'm going to create a flow, obviously, a flow where we are going to add this, which is going to be DT testing video. This flow is to add that template, so we are able to send the flow to our customers. Okay, so now we have it here. Let's just see if we have approved DT. It's pending. Let's just refresh. And as you can see, it is approved within seconds. Okay, so this is the flow that we created. So now we have it here. So let me just refresh this as well. Click on here, click on WhatsApp and template message, which is DT video testing. So as you can see, this is a message that we wrote, we typed. So now we cannot edit this, even the button. All right, so upload the image. We can upload the image here. Now the image is uploaded. Once they tap the button, we're going to send them a message. Obviously, you can trigger whichever automation you want to. Okay, so I'm going to just send a message here. We're going to publish this, and I'm going to show you on phone how it's going to look like. All right, so I'm going to show you how we can send a message from inbox. Just click on here, Send Flow. This is the flow that we created, and now obviously we have received the message on phone as well. The message, the picture, whatever that we created on the template, now we have it here. Click on the button, and as you can see, it's responding the message that we created after the button. So that's how you can create a template message, send it to your customers as well. Send a broadcast to your customers. You need to make sure the flow is ready with the template message that you have already created earlier. You need to go to Broadcast, which is clicking here. Once you click Broadcast, you will be able to click Send here. Select the channel that you want to send from to your customers. You can also send a template message, and if you want to send broadcast to other customers as well, click on Continue. You can send the flow. So this is the flow that we created, and you can decide when you want to send the flow. And you can click on Send, and it will send the broadcast for you. If you want to send to specific customers, let's just say we're going to add a tag here, New Buyer Lead. All right, so we need to add a tag, whichever customer you want to send it to. So what you can do is go to Broadcast, click on Send, and click on WhatsApp here. The flow here when you want to send. You can add a condition. Whoever has that tag, they will receive the broadcast, not everyone. So we'll add a tag. Condition is tag is New Buyer Lead Capture. Yes, and we're going to save and then we're going to send. So obviously it's saying there's only one person who is going to receive this. Click on Continue. All right, so now we're going to wait and see. As you can see, it has already sent the broadcast for us. So that's how you can send broadcast to new customers or specific customers as well. Now I'm going to explain to you how you can create carousels. Okay, you need to go to WhatsApp, click on Manage. Go to Template, and click on Add. You can either select carousel video or image. We're going with image. It's the same thing with the video as well. So we're going to name it as 1234DT. All right, so at least we remember which one we created. This is where you can add a heading here. The heading is New Offers. We'll add and upload an image just to see. All right, obviously we can add the text here. Offer 1, add a button. So the button is going to be View Offer. We want to send them a flow. All right, so click on Continue. The next carousel, it's going to be here. We're going to say Offer 2. You can add more here, so you can see we have created another one. We're going to name it as 3, View Offer and Save. While it's getting approved, we can create a flow. You need to make sure the automation is ready. All right, so we'll just wait for it to get approved. So this is the one that we have sent the request. We'll just refresh and see. All right, so it's still pending. So in the meantime, make sure you have all the information that you require. Just cross this, and we're going to refresh this again. We'll just wait for a few seconds and then see. As you can see, it got approved in a few seconds. We'll just go and refresh this. Click here, go to WhatsApp, template message, 1234DT. This is what we created. Okay, offer 1, 2, 3. So obviously we're going to just add the same image everywhere. All right, and then the last one. Done. So we're going to just connect all of this. Whichever automation that you want to connect it, you can just do that. Right now, I'm just going to connect it here and click on Publish. So now I'm going to show you on phone, as well as the inbox, how it's going to look like. Just make sure all the images are uploaded, and that's how we will be able to send the flow within the chat. So just click on here, click on Send Flow, and this is the flow that we created. We're going to just click, and as you can see on phone, we have the carousel here, so we will just click one of the button, and it will respond to our message that we created. So that's how you can create the carousels on WhatsApp as well. Now I'm going to show you one trick, which is the AI trigger. We have created the carousel, so you need to go to Integration, whichever LLM that you have. Click on it and go to AI triggers. All right, so we're going to add a trigger, call it as offer. Okay. Allows the user to have access to our offer. This is the flow that we created right now. So now, click on Continue, go to Integration, same whichever LLM that you prefer. All right, just select that, click on Edit, add that AI trigger that we just created, and we're going to just say the second one is, whenever user asks about our offer, then activate this AI trigger. Okay, so we're going to add the trigger name, which is offer. Now, I'm going to show you on the phone what it's going to do. As you can see, I'm going to just message the AI. It's responding for us. I'm going to say, I'd like to know about your offer, because this is the trigger that we created now. So, what it did was, the carousel that we created, what you can do is you can add your services here, and then it can show your services in an image. And then from their service, whichever button that they select, you can add specific automation, and then you can start the automation from there by collecting their leads or anything that you like. So, this AI trigger helps your chatbot to respond in a way that it understands the user intent, and it recommends whatever they are requesting for. So, we asked for the offer, it triggered this automation without sending them this flow from our inbox manually. That's how you can create an AI trigger. If you're bringing leads from different channels, for example, Instagram, web chat, or Facebook, so wherever the leads are coming from, and you want to have the number, what you can do is you can send an OTP to verify if the number is valid or not. Now, I'm going to show you how you can create a template, and as well as how you can create the flow where you can build this automation. So first, you need to go to Settings, go to Channels, click on WhatsApp and Manage, and click on Template Message, so it will take you to Facebook of your meta business to it, and go to Template Library, and click on Authentication. So you don't need to customize it by yourself. You can select the template, whichever you like. So I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to name it as 1230TP. Select and copy code. And if you want to add a contact number or security recommendation, you can do that. If you want to add the time limit for this code, you can also do that. Let's click on Submit. Now we have it. So now I'm going to go to the template message, and let's just refresh this and see if it's approved or not. Go to template message. It's approved immediately. So now I'm going to go to flows, add a new flow, which is going to be OTP. And now we're going to create, so whichever message that you want to send them first, you can do that. So I'm going to give you the flow automatically, which is create a get user data, asking for the number. Can I have your phone number where I can send the verification code? So we're going to click on Edit, click on Phone. You can create your own field as well, but for now I already have it. So click on Phone, remove this, and save. Now we need to generate a number, which we will send it to them. Click on Action and go to Tools and click on Generate Random Number Text. Click here, you can add a number or alphanumeric. It's up to you, all right? So we're going to add minimum around 4 and maximum around 5. We'll just select OTP code here. You can create your own custom field and add it here. So this is the OTP code. We just connect this, and now we need the template message. So set template message, send message, make sure it's WhatsApp, click here, template message 123 OTP. So this is the OTP. We just need to connect this. You can add the custom field that you just created here, which is OTP code. So we're going to add the OTP code here. And then next, you need to add a get user data, which is this one. So once we have sent it, now we need them to add the OTP here. Please share the OTP that you have received. Now we need to make sure it's a number. All right, obviously we are sending a number and we can name it as the custom field OTP got, just for now, or we can add something else. Let's just say OTP valid. Continue. So now we have a number. There's one more thing. If you want to just give random numbers with the alphabet, you can have this option. If you just want to send them numbers, you can have this option, and we're going to just make sure it's the same custom field. Now we're going to add a condition. So the condition is to make sure it's valid. We'll just connect the condition. Just make sure what custom field you have saved it. OTP valid. Okay. So the condition is to make sure that OTP valid is OTP code. OTP valid, which is, this is same as OTP code, which is this one. If it's valid, we're going to send them the message. Valid. And if it's not, we're going to send them a different message saying, try again. Okay, so if they have entered the wrong OTP, they will get this message and we'll connect it to this block. We'll tell them to re-enter their OTP. Now we're going to publish, and I'm going to show you how it's going to work on phone. I'm going to send the flow, and we're going to receive the message as well. So, we're going to add the number, and let's just receive the OTP. Now we have the OTP number. Copy this, and we're going to paste it here. So it's valid, and that's how you can bring all the other leads from different channels to WhatsApp. To add conversation starters to your WhatsApp, you need to go to Channels, click on WhatsApp, click on Manage, click on Conversation Starters, click here and click on Edit. You will type the message here, which will show on the button in the chat. So we will say, book an appointment, and it will say FAQs. And we need to copy this, save and go to keyword, add and paste the exact message here. And whichever flow that you want to trigger, just select here. So for now, I have already created conversation starters. Save. The next one is FAQs, and we will just add any flow for now. Save. Now let me show you how it's going to look on phone. As you can see, we have a conversation starter here. So once we tap, it will trigger the automation for us, whichever we have connected. So I'm going to reply. Obviously, you can trigger any automation, either lead qualification or assisting with any general queries. And that's how you can use the conversation starter to trigger any automation in chats. To create a WhatsApp automation where you can scan a QR code and it directs them to your WhatsApp. First, you need an automation. Go to DT templates or whichever automation. So I'm going to go with Google Review for now. And you will see this automation that I have created. So what this does, it saves you from getting negative reviews. If they select less than 3 stars, we're not going to give them our Google Review link. We're going to ask for their input how we can improve, and we will ask if they would like to shop from us again. We'll ask for the name and we'll give them the coupon code. And if they select 4 or above, we are going to say thank you. And then we are going to give them the Google Review link where they can review us. So this way, we can only get positive reviews. All right, to create this message, all you need to do is go to Add Content, WhatsApp, and Option List. So you can add message you want to give, and then you can create multiple lists of the options that you want to. Then you will be able to have these options where you can trigger another automation. So that's how you can do it. Now the goal is to create an automation where they can scan the QR code. Publish this. Go to Flows. Tools. Go to Entry Point Links. So first we're going to create an entry where it's going to trigger an entry point link for them. Click on Add. Select the flow, which is Google Review. Name it as Review and save. Now we have the link here. We want the WhatsApp entry link. We want to direct them to WhatsApp. Copy. Go to Tools. Now Magic Link. This is where you can create your own QR code. Click on Add and paste the link here. Name it as Review so you can remember Continue. Now click here and get QR code. So this is a QR code now. It's generated. You can download this, you can paste it, print it, however you want to. Now, I'm going to show you on phone how it looks like. So now we're going to scan this QR code, and we have the link here, and it directs us to the WhatsApp. And we have this option here, we have to just send it. And it's going to trigger the automation for us, so it's asking for this, we're going to tap the rate. We love it. And obviously we have the review link here. Now, let's do this again. Okay, all right, so we click on it. Review. Now we're going to select one. Obviously, we didn't like the work, so we're going to say improve it. It's going to ask thank you for the feedback. If we would love to have a coupon code, go ahead, get now. In this way, we already have the number, all we need is their name. So we're giving the name. Now we have their name and number, so we can retarget them in future. This is the coupon code, and that's how you can create automations for WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.